Like to put money in the pockets of the American people. There's an Irish bookie who is betting on the president's speech tonight, like the Super Bowl when the coin toss. They said that, for example, they're giving odds if the president. It's called Paddy Power, Robert. They're giving odds if the president wears a red tie, cliches he might use. If you could give us one of them, we could put some money down. We'll get that money out of Europe and bring it here. For example, will you commit to the president's tie color? Therefore, I'm getting 4-to-1 odds on red tie. Can you commit to that, Robert?
You know, I don't want to say this out loud, but I can talk to the president about this and see what we can do.
So could you have him wear a red tie tonight?
I got $100
if you guys are going to put
yes.
a lot of, if you guys are going to put a lot of cash on red, let me go see the president right now.
All right. Well, the first line, Robert, the first line that has 250 to 1.
Undoubtedly, can I just say this? Undoubtedly, the Department of Justice and local authorities are dialing their phones even as
They're monitoring our conversation.
Right. I don't think he's going to say, "Let's get ready to rumble," because that's at 250 to 1.
He would say that.
Yeah, I have to say I've read the speech and that got cut.
Yeah.
Oh.